Whether you're doing a full rebuild or doing some maintenance on your old daily driver, you're bound to have issues with hardware that's decades old. Make things much easier on yourself with this comprehensive timing cover hardware kit for your early 22R with a stock dual row or your dual row conversion. The kit consists of 8 M6 by 25mm hex bolts, 4 M8 by 12mm Allen bolts, 2 M8 by 30mm hex bolts, 1 M8 by 35mm hex bolt, 5 M8 by 40mm hex bolts, 1 M8 by 55mm hex bolt, 2 M8 by 80mm hex bolts, 1 M8 by 85mm hex bolt, 3 M10 by 65mm hex bolts, 1 M10 by 60mm hex bolt, 15 8mm wave washers, 8 6mm flat washers, and a few other flat washers. Let's have a look at where these go on a timing cover. Before we start, note that 2 of the M8 by 40 bolts are for the timing chain tensioner, and the 4 M8 by 12 Allen bolts are for the guide rails. Additionally, a number of these bolts secure or pass through the water and oil pumps, but the pumps are not shown here. First, the M10 by 60 with flat washer in the upper right corner. The 3 M10 by 65s with flat washers. M8 by 55 through the head into the top of the cover. The 3 other M8 by 40 with wave washers into the cover. The 2 M8 by 80 with wave washers through the oil pump. 1 M8 by 35 and wave washer through the top of the oil pump. 2 M8 by 30 with wave washers through the lower oil pump. 1 M8 by 85 with wave washer through the water pump. The 8 M6 by 25s with 6mm flat washers through the water pump. Find full kits like these to get the job done from the experts specializing in your Toyota since 1985. LC Engineering, Performance Toyota.